Dal, let's see here, is the fourth letter of the Hebrew alphabet that has the sound of D, and it's similar to the letter D in our alphabet, and it also symbolizes the number 4. And the early pictograph for this letter is a picture of a door. And the early tents show the image of a door from a tent, like with the lintel attached, and it's at the lintels at the top. And because we know that Hebrew letters and words have an action associated, this definition also means a back and forth movement as one goes back and forth through the tent door. Okay, now the word dal has a lamed attached also, which is a staff. And according to number 1081 of the Ancient Hebrew Lexicon on page 92, it represents a rod. So combined, it means the door on the rod. Okay, and the tent door was hung down as a curtain covering the entrance to the tent from a horizontal pole. And the door was then moved to the side for going in and out of the tent. So dal can mean to enter, it can mean a pathway, or even dangle, as the tent door dangled down from the roof pole of the tent, or one who dangles their head in poverty or hunger, needy, lean, or weak, or what hangs from the head and is easily blown by the wind. So we have the picto image. So here is dal in the paleo, and here's the image of the modern dal, including the strokes to draw it. Now the modern word for door in Hebrew today is the word dalet. There you go.
Shalom. We pray this video is helpful to your journey in the truth. Remember to be like the Bereans in Acts 17:11, who received the word with all readiness of mind, then searched the scriptures to see if what they heard was true. We have studies for the whole family, including children, every week. To learn more, visit assemblyofyahuah.com. Use the Join tab to express interest in participating. Use the Give tab to help support biblical assembly needs. To be notified of new videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Trust in Yahuah with all your heart. Lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. Much love and shalom.